This is outside our window, our back door during the big blizzard of 2006. Whoa! Oh man! Is it windy? Woo! Oh man! Woo! It's too cold. Let's go in. Oh man! All right, here we go. Going outside. We'll look at the blizzard. You can hear Steve's snow blowing down there. Alright, let's check out the side yard. So it's snow blowing over there. Not too deep yet. Going back in. Alright, one more shot at outdoors. Here we go. Ooh, so much windier back here. Check on Steve. Let's see snow blowing. There are our cars supposed to clean up someday. Looks like we got some footage. Oh my. Let's go back in.